Wow, look at this vegetable stew, guys. You are welcome back to Joy and Family TV. And in today's video, we are going to be making vegetable stew. And these are the ingredients we are using. Scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, the red and the grey one. We have tomatoes and onions. We have salt, margarine, red fish, curry, gizzard, and the gizzard is cooked already. We have sunflower oil, and we have fresh spinach, egg is cooked already and is peeled. Our fish is already fried, so we are chopping the bell pepper. Just slice it according to the size you want. And when you are doing this, be careful, guys. This recipe is just for you to change your stew. And this recipe we are making today, you can use it for yam, rice, plantain, cocoyam. And it's very easy to cook. Just follow the video step by step and you will come out with a delicious vegetable stew. Everything is ready. You can see everything is ready. So there's the pot and the oil we are using. It's already inside the pot. So I'm going to be frying the gizzard. You can just fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. So I've done with the gizzard. I'm still using the oil. Just add salt. Then your onions. You can leave the onions to fry for 2 to 3 minutes before adding the rest pepper, or you can add it once. So as you add them, just keep stirring. And I'm adding margarine. curry. Stir it together. You can add as many seasoning you like to use to cook. Cover. We've cooked for 7 minutes. So I'm not adding the tomatoes. The fish. The egg. So you stir together. I'm adding the gizzard. And I want to say a big thank you to every one of you that is supporting us in this channel. May God bless you. And you that is passing by for today, please, you feel free to join the family. Just press that red button there and subscribe to the channel, and God will surely bless you. I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you. So stir it together and leave it to cook for 3 minutes. So we are adding the spinach. Stir it very well. All my returning subscribers, I say thank you. God bless you for coming back. You can also join us by joining our membership just to support us. Thank you as you do that. So just cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Our stew is ready. Thank you for watching. God bless you and see you on my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. This is the white rice we are using. The food is ready, guys. Come eat with us. It's very easy to cook. Wow, it looks yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy in my belly. It looks nice, guys.